Imagine waking up every morning with clear goals, sharp focus, and strong energy. Imagine a life where you control your day instead of your day controlling you. This is how a Sigma male starts his mornings: calm, silent, focused. Today, I'll take you step by step through the ultimate Sigma male morning routine for maximum productivity. If you stay with me till the end, you'll understand how these simple steps can transform not just your mornings, but your entire life. Sigma males live differently. They don't follow trends. They don't seek approval. And their mornings are designed for one thing: growth. They build their minds, their bodies, and their dreams before the world even wakes up. Let's dive into this powerful routine. The first secret? Wake up early, really early. A Sigma male doesn't roll out of bed at 9 or 10 a.m. He's up before the sun. 4:30 a.m., 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. This is his time. The early hours are silent, peaceful, and full of power. No distractions, no noise, just pure focus. When the alarm rings, he doesn't argue with himself. He doesn't say, 5 more minutes. He gets up, right away. This builds mental strength. Every time you wake up early and get out of bed without thinking, you're telling your mind, I am in control, not my feelings. Waking up early gives the Sigma male three big advantages. First, it gives him extra time that most people waste. Second, it gives him peace to think deeply without interruptions. Third, it builds unmatched discipline. Remember, the hardest part is the first 10 seconds. Once you get out of bed, momentum carries you forward. So set your alarm. Place it across the room. When it rings, get up. No questions, no thinking, just move. This simple act can change everything. Right after waking up, the Sigma male freshens up. He doesn't grab his phone, he doesn't start scrolling, he heads straight to the bathroom. Splash cold water on your face, feel it wake you up, brush your teeth, look in the mirror, see yourself, alive, awake, ready. These small physical actions tell your mind the day has begun. Cold water wakes the senses, it sharpens the brain, it boosts blood flow and energy. It's a simple move, but it's powerful. The Sigma male treats his body with respect. He knows if he can master his body first thing in the morning, he can master anything else. Remember, the body is the vehicle that carries you to your dreams. Start every day by taking care of it. Next, the Sigma male grabs his journal, not to write pages and pages, not to write poetry or long essays, just a few lines, simple and sharp. First, gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. Big things, small things, anything. Gratitude trains your mind to see abundance, not lack. A Sigma male knows when you focus on what you have, you create space for more to come. Second, goals. Write down the top 3 things you must achieve today. Not 10 things, not 20, just 3 powerful targets. This keeps you focused, clear, sharp. Busy people do 100 small things. Productive people do 3 big things. Your journal is not just paper, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are and who you are becoming. Before touching work, before touching the phone, the Sigma male sits in silence. Meditation, deep breathing, focused stillness. You don't have to be a monk. You don't have to be perfect. Just sit, close your eyes, breathe deeply, in and out, focus on the breath. If your mind wanders, bring it back. Simple. Why does this matter? Because the world is full of noise, full of distractions. If you don't control your mind, the world will control it for you. Meditation builds the muscles of the mind. It sharpens focus, it kills anxiety, it creates calm power inside you. The Sigma male is calm under pressure because he trains his mind when the world is still sleeping. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Start small, stay consistent, watch your mind transform. After training the mind, the Sigma male trains the body. Movement is not optional, it's essential. You don't need a fancy gym, you don't need expensive gear, push-ups, squats, stretching, a short run, a quick bodyweight workout. The goal is simple: break a sweat, raise your heart rate, feel your power. Exercise releases endorphins, the chemicals that make you feel strong, positive, and ready. It builds discipline, it builds energy. It reminds you, you are alive, you are capable, you are powerful. While others are still asleep, the Sigma male is already building himself. brick by brick, rep by rep. Strong body, strong mind, strong spirit. That's the Sigma way. Now it's time to refuel. The Sigma male doesn't skip breakfast, but he also doesn't eat junk. He chooses simple, clean foods, eggs, oats, fruits, nuts, smoothies, real food that fuels real performance. Your body is a machine. If you put in trash, it runs like trash. If you put in quality fuel, it runs like a beast. Breakfast is not just about eating, it's about starting the day with intention, choosing health, choosing strength, choosing to honor your body. Eat with purpose, eat for power, not for pleasure. With his body fueled, the Sigma male plans his attack. He doesn't drift into the day, he moves with purpose. He opens his journal and looks at the top 3 goals he wrote earlier. He visualizes success, he sees himself crushing each task. Then he blocks his time, maybe 2 hours of deep work, then a short break, then another work sprint. No random scrolling, no pointless meetings, no getting pulled into other people's drama. A Sigma male guards his time like a warrior guards his castle. He knows time is life. Waste time, waste life. By 9 a.m., he has already achieved more than most people do in an entire day. Now it's time to work, real work, deep work. The Sigma male doesn't multitask. He doesn't jump from one app to another. He locks in. Phone on silent, notifications off, one task at a time. He dives deep into his craft, his passion, his mission. No half-efforts, no excuses, only focused action. Deep work builds success, it builds mastery, it builds a life that others dream about. While most people are busy being busy, the Sigma male is busy building an empire. Every small win adds up. Finishing a workout, writing down goals, completing a deep work session, these small victories create momentum. Momentum is a powerful thing. It carries you forward even when motivation fades. The Sigma male doesn't rely on feeling inspired every day. He builds momentum through action. Action leads to results. Results build confidence. Confidence leads to even more action. It's a powerful loop, and it all starts with one strong morning. You might ask, why go through all this effort? Why wake up early? Why train the mind, the body, and the spirit? Because every morning is a brick. Every brick builds your castle. Sigma males are not chasing approval. They are building freedom. Freedom of mind, freedom of time, freedom to live on their own terms. Strong mornings lead to strong lives. Weak mornings lead to weak lives. You don't get lucky success. You build it, step by step, habit by habit. This is not just about being productive. It's about becoming powerful. Powerful in your mind, powerful in your choices, powerful in your life. It all starts with a morning done right. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. Some days you feel like a king. Some days you feel like staying in bed forever. Sigma males don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. Discipline is doing what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early when you're tired. It's working out when you're sore. It's focusing when the world tries to distract you. Feelings lie. Discipline tells the truth. A Sigma male treats discipline like oxygen. Without it, he suffocates. With it, he thrives. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your mind gets stronger. Your word becomes gold, to yourself first, and then to the world. You start trusting yourself, and when you trust yourself, nothing can stop you. In a noisy world where everyone wants fast results, the Sigma male plays a different game. He plays the long game. He knows that real success, real mastery, real power, they take time, years, not days, consistency, not quick hacks. Every morning routine, every workout, every focus session, it's a small seed planted. Day after day, the roots grow deeper, the foundation gets stronger. While others chase shortcuts and quit when results are slow, the Sigma male stays steady, silent, patient. Success comes quietly at first, and then suddenly it explodes. But only for those who stayed loyal to the grind. Remember this: plant the seed, water it daily, trust the process, your time will come. Not everything deserves your attention. Not every voice deserves your ear. Not every opinion matters. The Sigma male protects his mind like a lion guards his territory. He is careful about what he watches, listens to, and thinks about. In the morning, he avoids garbage information. No gossip, no negative news, no mindless scrolling. Instead, he feeds his mind with powerful ideas, books that build strength, videos that inspire greatness, podcasts that sharpen thinking. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Keep it sharp, keep it clean, keep it strong. Every morning is a chance to either sharpen your mind or dull it. Choose wisely. You might notice Sigma males are not loud, they don't brag, they don't chase attention. Why? Because real strength doesn't need to shout, it shows itself in actions. A Sigma male uses silence as a tool. While others waste energy explaining, he conserves energy executing. While others seek approval, he seeks mastery. In the morning, silence is powerful. It allows reflection. It breeds deep thought. It gives birth to real plans. You don't have to announce your goals. You don't have to explain your dreams. Just move silently. And when the time is right, the results will make the noise for you. The Sigma male doesn't waste time worrying about things he can't control. He focuses all his energy on what he can control. You can't control the weather. You can't control the economy. You can't control other people. But you can control your mindset, your discipline, your habits, your reactions, your actions. By focusing on what's in his hands, the Sigma male keeps his power. He doesn't waste it on blame or complaints. Every morning, he reminds himself, "Today I will control what I can. I will master myself. I will own my path." That's how real leaders are built, from the inside out. Storms will come, bad days will happen, setbacks will test you. The Sigma male expects it. He prepares for it. Morning routines are not just for good days. They are armor for the hard days. When you build discipline, focus, and inner calm every morning, you become unshakable. Storms may come, but you stand firm. You don't break. You don't bend. You adapt. You fight smarter. You move forward. A Sigma male doesn't fear failure. He uses it, learns from it, gets better because of it. In the end, the one who keeps standing wins. Freedom, that's the real goal. Freedom to choose your work. Freedom to choose your circle. Freedom to live life your way. Sigma males build this freedom day by day, starting with their mornings. Every early wake-up, every disciplined action, every focused hour of work, every silent victory. It all stacks up. It builds a life that no one can control except you. You're not stuck in a cage. You're not trapped by someone else's rules. You move how you want. You live how you want. But it's not given to you. You earn it with sweat, with focus, with quiet power. And it all starts when the alarm rings and you rise. You don't need to tell people you're serious. Your actions will show it. Your morning routine sends a message to yourself, to the universe, to everyone watching, even silently. It says, "I am focused, I am hungry, I am different." Every day you follow the Sigma morning routine, you send this message louder and clearer. Soon opportunities start coming. Respect starts growing. Your world starts changing. Not because you talked about it, but because you lived it. The Sigma male lets his results speak, and when they speak, the world listens. You won't be perfect. No one is. Some mornings you'll slip. Some days you'll miss a step. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you rise again. One bad day doesn't define you. One lazy morning doesn't destroy your progress. The Sigma male forgives himself, but he doesn't excuse himself. He accepts the mistake, learns the lesson, and comes back stronger. Progress is not a straight line. It's a battle, a dance, a war inside yourself. Stay in the fight. Stay loyal to the mission. Stay rising. You are the architect of your life. Every morning you lay another brick. If you build with laziness, your life becomes weak. If you build with discipline, your life becomes strong. You are not a victim. You are not powerless. You are a creator. The world may try to distract you, it may try to shake you, it may try to pull you into the crowd. But the Sigma male walks alone, silent, strong, focused. He builds in the shadows, and he shines in the light. Your morning is your weapon. Use it well. Because one day, the world will look at you and wonder, how did he do it? How did he build that life? And you'll know the answer. It started with one powerful morning at a time. Stay strong, stay silent, stay Sigma.